Hello and welcome to another video on Techies Gurus. Today we're going to be learning how to create a Netflix account, but before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser on your phone and then open netflix.com. After that, you can see the sign in button on top of your screen. If you already have an account, then you tap on that button and then you'll be able to log in to that page. However, since you're creating a new account, you have the get started button over here. On top of that, you can see the email address box. You simply enter your email address with which you'd like to create a new Netflix account with. After that, you tap on get started, tap on next. Now enter a password that you'd like to set for your Netflix account and then tap on next. If you do not want to be emailed the Netflix special offers, then you select this option. However, if you do want to be informed in your email about Netflix's special offers, then you select this box and then tap on next. After that, tap on next. Now you select your Netflix plan that's right for you. As you can see, if you just want to select mobile, it's only $2.99 US, and you can use it on your phone and tablet. If you want the basic package, then you can use it on your phone, tablet, computer, and TV. You can get up to 720p resolution. If you want the standard, it's $799. It has a better video quality. It has 1080 pixels resolution, and it can be used again on phone, tablet, computer, and TV. The premium is the best version, and it is the most expensive as well, which is $9.99 per month. And then it has the best quality. It has 4K resolution, and you can be used in all your devices. After you've selected your plan that you'd like to subscribe to, you simply tap on next. On next, you will be selecting the method of payment with which you'd like to pay for your Netflix account, and then you can enter your credit or debit card information. You enter your card number, the expiration date, your name on the card, and finally you select this box of I agree, which means that you agree to the terms and conditions of Netflix. And finally you tap on the start membership button, and your Netflix account will be created immediately, and you will be able to start streaming movies and TV shows. And this is how you can create your Netflix account. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.